Why haven't we been talking about fascia and its importance all these years? Why is it barely gaining popularity now? Because all of these years, the scientists, the researchers have thought of fascia as just connective tissue, just something that they had to get out of the way so that they can get to the muscles. I've been a massage therapist since 1990, and back then we just thought fascia was something we had to work through to get to the muscle. But today, fascia has gained so much popularity because we now know that fascia is everything. It is life, and it is what holds us in place. Fascia has 4 things. It is a living membrane, meaning it is alive. That's where your life force is, within your fascia. It is a connective web, meaning it holds everything in place. If you didn't have fascia, you literally would collapse to the ground. Your muscles and all your organs would just fall on the ground if you didn't have your fascia. It is a connective web. It holds everything in place. And fascia is also a collagen network, meaning it has protein in it that stores your memories, good and bad. That's why sometimes you can hear a song and it'll drop you back to that moment. It's not something you have to think about. It's something that you just feel. That's your fascia. And if it's a bad thing, you start to tense up, or you start to get nervous, or you start to sweat, or you get scared. If it was a good thing, you start to feel the good hormones, the happy hormones. Your body starts feeling good. That's your fascia. So it's a connective web. It is a collagen network. It's a living membrane, and it's a liquid highway, meaning communication goes up and down that highway, up and down that fascia very, very rapidly, like at the speed of light. It is a liquid communication highway. So that's how important fascia is. And today with technology, we can see it so much better. So that's why we haven't been hearing much about it, because when a person dies, the life force goes out of them. And so then when they look at the body and the cadaver and they study it, they don't see the fascia with life. They see the fascia as a connected web, as a saran wrap around the body. Today we know it's so much more. Welcome to Spa Life TV, and in this video we talk about fascia because today is Tuesday, and I want to show you one fascia maneuver from Human Garage that is the one fascia maneuver that if you did it morning and night, you would relieve pain in your body. And the beautiful thing about taking care of your fascia is it will absolutely take care of you for years to come. So when a child will take it for granted that they can climb things and fall down easily. They take it for granted that they can bounce around on the floor and move fluidly. And as we get older, dehydration and just the years make our fascia more stiff. So we're going to have to make more intention to be more childlike. And one of the things we can do is do this fascia maneuver. So here we go. I'm going to teach you this, and I hope that it relieves pain in your body the way it has for me. That's how I started doing fascia maneuvers, because I had pain in my back that I couldn't seem to relieve with massage therapy or exercise or many different modalities. And that's what sent me down the path of fascia. Not fascia as just a cool thing to study, but fascia as relief for a pain that I have been struggling with for years. So this is called totally twisted. It's one of the most important fascia maneuvers. If you did one, this would be the one. And you're going to do right and left, but I'll probably just show you the right side and you just reverse it. Okay, so you're going to take your right foot over your left foot. Now, fascia is spiral, so it likes to move in a spiral motion. It likes to relieve pressure. So, and it likes to move in a spiral motion. Okay, so you're going to take your right foot over your left. You're going to take your right hand under your armpit and your left hand over your shoulder, and give yourself a nice squeeze, hold it in place. And then when we turn to the left, you're going to be taking 3 small breaths. And I'm going to say, you're going to purse your lips and you're going to go in and you're holding it. And then I'm going to say more and add some more. And then I'm going to say more. You're going to add some more. It's going to be 3 breaths, and then you're going to hold. And as you're holding, you're going to twist even more in the different directions. We'll do that 3 times on this side. Okay, so we're in this position, and you're going to turn your head to the left, body to the right. Purse your lips and inhale. More, more, and turn more, twist more, and release. Again, purse your lips. We're going to do this 3 times again. More, more, hold, Release. And one more time, and this is the last one on this side, so give it a good twist when you get to the hold. Here we go. Purse your lips. Inhale. More. More. Hold and twist. Release. And then come to the center and drop your hands and just walk around. And the reason that we walk around or we just move around after a maneuver is because fascia's smart. You can't lie to fascia. You can condition it, you can hydrate it, you can move it, but you can't lie to it. And it doesn't like to be rushed. So after you do a maneuver and you're telling your fascia, this is how I want you to open up, you want to release it, move your body so that you can say, you're safe, you're safe. I'm not trying to hurt you, I'm just trying to release you. So when you release it, you move around to just kind of tell your body, let it integrate and just say, I'm safe. Okay, we're gonna do the next side. Left leg over right foot, left hand under right armpit, and right hand over left shoulder. And here's what I like to do when I'm in this position. I like to take my inhales where it opens up the rib cage, not just here, but here, because the intercostal muscles, which are the muscles between the ribs, they need to be opened as well. So I like to breathe here, okay? So our left foot over our right leg, we're gonna take our left hand under our right armpit and our right hand over our right shoulder. We're gonna turn our head to the left and turn our head to the right and body to the left. We're gonna purse our lips and we're gonna take in those 3 breaths. Ready? Inhale. More, more, hold, twist, release. And we're gonna do it again. Inhale through your lips, more, more, hold, release. One more time. And when we get to that hold, just really focusing on twisting that fascia. Ready? Let's go. In through your lips. More, more, hold and twist, and release. And shake it out. And that is called totally twisted. And when you do this one maneuver, you actually activate every single fascia in your body. Isn't that beautiful? So I hope you enjoyed that maneuver. We're gonna learn more and more fascia maneuvers and way to keep your fascia limber so that together we can stay full of vitality, full of life, and that begins with taking care of your fascia. See you in the next video.